Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to make email company ID. So let's start. If you want to create address for business or professional use, not only use at gmail.com instead of this, just info at gmail or your company name or contact at your company mail.com, and this will change the way to everyone see you because you will look so most professional than before. So with easy mails you can do it, guys. You can go to the principal fashion easy mails, you can scroll down and go to packages. As you can see, we have 4 packages, but we'll use this one that is mailer, that is for the business email. This is $2.99 per month, and well, with the word code in the description below you will get the 80% off from this price. And also, guys, you will get the 30-day money back guarantee. It means that if you don't like service, you don't like how it works, you will get your money back without any problem. If you want to read more benefits, just go to order, and here in order we have custom email, we have here the benefits, unlimited traffic, 30-day money guarantee as I told you before, monthly cancellation, etc. So also, guys, if you want to receive support, the 24 hours we give you, easy mails have a customer support that will help you easily and quickly. And also, guys, you will receive your business email in 2 minutes, so it's very easy. So now, guys, just go to order now, and then here on order now you can write your promotion code. It's how to, we give you this promotion code and you will get the 80% off from this price, and you will pay little bit. So you can see here that's the final price per month. So write your email address, write your business address here, and your payment method. You can write your card information, your month and year, CVC, your cardholder name, as well as your country or region. You can select whatever you prefer, and then if you want to save the information, select one, then just select it, and if you prefer, unselect if you don't wanna, and that's it, guys. You have already your email, business email. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumb up to this video.